Welcome back to Little House in the South. Today I'm taking you on a tour of our farm. Here you'll see our mudroom. It's a very large space off the kitchen that will serve as food storage as well. Next we have the kitchen dining room. This beautiful sunroom is where we plan to set up our dining room table, and I'm extremely excited to start cooking and creating in this kitchen. The next area you see is our living room and office space. The raised section was used as a formal dining room, but we plan to utilize this space as an office, homeschool, and creative space. The living room boasts a vaulted ceiling with a huge brick fireplace. We are excited for cozy fires and family time here. Our formal entryway. This will be Nathan's room. The girls' room, the guest bathroom, our master bathroom, and our master bedroom. From our back porch, the view is incredible. We have a 4-acre pond, more than 2 acres of fenced-in pasture, 2 barns, and 1 workshop building. Let's get a closer look. The workshop needs a ton of work. The termite damage makes this entire building unusable for now, but we plan to fix it up eventually. The roof overhang creates an excellent area for us to work outside in the shade on a hot summer day. There were a lot of tools and other items left by the previous owners that we will surely find uses for. The fenced pasture includes part of the pond to allow animals constant access to water. The pond even has a little covered dock, which will be perfect for fishing. Thank you so much for stopping by our farm. Our next video will be a moving day vlog. Please like and subscribe down below.